Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your trading account to TradingView. First, open the TradingView platform and locate the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Next, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Choose the one you use. Finally, securely log in with your broker's username and password to authorize the connection. This process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. It's important to ensure your specific broker offers direct integration with TradingView. While many popular brokers are supported, a few might require you to generate a separate API key from their platform to establish the link. Also, double-check that your trading account type is compatible, as some demo or specialized accounts might have limitations. This step is crucial for a smooth connection. If you encounter issues, first verify your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent successful linking. Next, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes interfere with new connections. If problems persist, reaching out to your broker's customer support is the best course of action. They can provide specific guidance for their platform. Connecting your account allows you to trade directly from TradingView's powerful charts, streamlining your workflow significantly. You gain immediate access to a vast array of advanced charting tools and indicators, enhancing your analysis capabilities. For more great deals and to find the link for the Oala water bottle, check the description below this video. This integration truly elevates your trading experience, offering convenience and powerful features right at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.